Morning, you guys. Good morning. It's early in the morning right now, you guys. Early in the morning, and it's like 6. So it is right now. It's 6:30, you guys. I have an order that I have to go pick it up. No, I don't want to receive. I have an order that I have to go pick it up around 7. So I have to wake up early because I have to go drive all the way 30 minutes to get to the place. So it is putting some gas because I was on 46 miles only and I'm going somewhere that I have to drive so far. Today, you guys, is gonna be a busy day on Cartwheel. Let me tell you, Cartwheel, you guys. I have like three orders to do today. 3 good orders to do on Cartwheel, and that's gonna be it, you guys, for the day. Because these orders, y'all, they paid good money, good amount of money for me to stop working the whole entire day today, you know. I calculated both of them, it's gonna take me to 200 something. So I have one at 7, another one is at 8, and another one is at 11. So let's fill up our car right now. Oh, it's cold. You guys, I'm here. It's 7 or 6 right now. I'm going to another Broken Egg cafe. Ooh, let me get my bags. Let's get our bags, y'all. The pickup time is 7:14, but let's go in. Maybe it's ready. I think it's my first time being on this restaurant. It's getting close. My first time being here, so let's go. Hope our things is ready. Good morning. I have an easy cake. Oh, sorry. I did not see that she's busy. Good morning. Good. I have an easy cater.
They're still putting it together right now.
Okay. So far, this is what we have. And we have some more. He's going to bring more. This is hot. I guess this is the hot stuff. So let me put in one of these bags. Don't mix hot stuff with cold stuff, y'all. So let me put my hot stuff in here. Alright, you guys, this is everything. So let's go. Let me put this. Let's put it here.
You have arrived.
Only took me 8 minutes to get here. So I'm trying to find out which door I'm gonna use for insurance. I'm about to ask them. I think they work here. Yeah. I'm gonna pull over here. Is everything safe? Yeah. Okay. Everything's safe down here. Guys, you know what? Let's grab this one. It's going to help. Thank you. Hey guys, I forgot to show you the setup. I'm sorry. I really forgot, you guys. I really did. And I think they're about to shoot a movie in there. They have all these people. They're setting up cameras, big lights. They're about to shoot a movie in there. Okay. So next we have another one, you guys. I have another catering to pick up on Cartwheel. So let me go see what time it is, because I don't remember what time I have to be there. Oh, I have to be there 8:09. So let's drive there. Uh-oh, where I put my key? Oh no, I see it. We're gonna be there 8:09, and we're only driving there for 9 minutes, y'all. Only 9-minute drive. So let's go. I'm saying they just went in the car to grab those outfit, what they're gonna wear. Guys, I just realized that I didn't tell you how much they paid me for that catering order that I just did. They paid me $40, you guys. $40. That's how much they paid me for the other one. So right now I'm here at that Krispy Kreme, you guys, to pick up my next one. And this one is paying me, let me go double check. This one is paying me $73, y'all. $73 with 20 cents. I'm loving this. I am loving these catering orders. So the pickup time is 8:22. Right now it's 7:47. So I'm about to be in here for another 20 minutes maybe. Because I'm gonna go in around 8:10 maybe. Yeah. So let me chill in here in my car. Let's go in. Oh, I see them orders. This is all we have. All this. So I'm gonna put some in here. Alright, you guys, this is what we have. So let's go deliver. Okay, you guys, let's go deliver this one. And this one is it's a little bit far. It says 18 minutes. 18 minutes to go deliver. So let's go. Guys, I arrived super early, y'all. I arrived super early. And I had to go in, and the person who I was supposed to ask for, she was not here yet. So, and this other man came and helped me and called the lady, and she told him where to put the donuts. And guess what? Easy Cater called me, you guys. Easy Cater called me, and they was like, you're supposed to be there 8:45, but we see on our map that you're there early. Can you please wait, because the person is not gonna be there? And I told them I already delivered. Somebody already told me where to put it, and it was like, oh, okay. So what's the person name? And I asked the person name, and I gave to them. So I guess you're not supposed to arrive too early. So anyway, my next pickup is at 9:57. So I'm about to head there right now. You guys, it's 9:36 right now. 9:36. So to kill time, I was doing Uber rideshare, and I just made $28 doing that. So it's time to come pick up my third catering order, and this one is $35, you guys. This one is $35. So the pickup time is 9:57. So I'm about to go in. Maybe it's ready, I don't know, or let me just stay here for another 10 minutes, because it's 37 right now and the pickup time is 57. Let me stay in here for another 10 minutes. Maybe I can go in 50, 50 or 45. So yeah. Oops, sorry. Okay, you guys. I am here to pick up our last Cartwheel for the day, you guys. My fourth Cartwheel pickup. The pickup time is 11:01 and right now it's 10:49. So let's go in and grab these orders. Oh, let me tell you how much. It's 107, you guys. It's $107 for this catering. Big money, big money. Good morning. Good. I have an easy cater.
What's the name?
Well, let me see. Okay. Let me try to make up space this way. Let me make this. Yeah, this restaurant, it took so long. It's a lot of items that I have to deliver. This restaurant took 20 more minutes, you guys. Last time that I came to this restaurant, they didn't send. They need to work on the packaging because they be taking so long to get ready their stuff. Anyway, let's drive 16 minutes, you guys. Thank God I don't have another schedule after this, because if I had it, it would have been mess me up. Okay, I'm waiting for the people to come grab this one, the last one. They already grabbed the first one. So this is the last one that I have. They already grabbed my first. You guys don't know what I'm saying. So let's wait for them. You guys, I am done for the day. I am done for the day, you guys. So I am home already. I told you guys, if I'm done doing all this catering orders for today, I'm gonna go home. So I am home right now. The last one I finished was it was 11:40. 11:40, that's when I finished. Ooh, somebody's calling me, y'all. You guys, I'm on my way going to pick up the kids from school. Right now it's I forgot to end up this video. I totally forgot to end this video. Right now it's 1:58 and I finished working around 11:40. Anyway, let me end this video, you guys. So I'm so thankful for today, you guys. We made $284, you guys. $284 if I add it with that $28 that I did on Uber Eats. Uber ride share. Today was just a blessed day, you guys. Super thankful for these Cartwheel orders, y'all. These catering orders. If you have a Zifty, Cartwheel, what else? There is a lot of catering orders out there, but here we only have those two so far. Expedite, we don't have that one here yet. And they deliver that, we have it, and I am on it, but nothing. I have never seen anything on it. You know, so it's so slow over here. But please get on these catering orders, y'all. Get on these catering orders. It's very good apps. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Today was such a beautiful day. After I drove my kids home, I'ma be home. I'ma go straight in a bed, y'all. I'ma go to sleep, take a nap, because we did it today, y'all. We did it. Get on these catering apps. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.